Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the watch so changes stick. Make sure battery is above 20% and the screen is unlocked. Once ready, press and hold the light button to open the controls menu. This is the fastest route to toggles. Scan the icons for sleep or a bed symbol. Cards are grouped so you may need to swipe. When you see sleep mode, pause and get ready to toggle it off. This step puts you directly at the setting we will change, avoiding deeper menus. You now turn the feature off. Tap the sleep icon in Controls to open the sleep control screen. Some models show sleep tracking or sleep mode text. Once open, select the on/off toggle. A single tap switches it. Make sure the label changes to off or the icon loses color. If a confirmation dialog appears, accept it. Once done, the watch stops automatically entering sleep mode and will not track sleep until you re-enable it. This prevents unwanted sleep logging immediately. Finish by verifying the change. You should go to Settings, then Activity and Wellness, then Sleep to confirm the status reads off. This double checks the controls toggle. If sleep mode still activates, restart the watch. Hold light until power options appear, then reboot. If that fails, open the Garmin Connect app, select your Instinct 3, and toggle sleep under Device Settings. If controls are unresponsive, do a soft reset. This clears temporary glitches without erasing data and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.